Currently, as you can see, there is no records. My table is absolutely empty. When I click on this button, so all these records will be in the database. So I'm going to click it. Just watch it carefully. I clicked it. A message will become which says data inserted successfully. It means our data, these records are inserted in our database. So we will check. This is the query to show the data from database from mdetails table. This is SQL query. You all know this query. I run it. Just check it that all the records from our Excel sheet have been successfully stored in our table. Now I will show the function of delete all button. When I click on it, then all the records from database will be erased. Now you can see the records are there. There are some records, and when I click on delete all button, that all records will be erased. So I'm going to click it. A message is there which says records deleted. It means all the records are deleted. So I run this query again. Just check it. There are no records. All the records have been erased. So this button will erase all the records from database. The last button, which is refreshed, will refresh our spreadsheet. When I click on this button, the data will become from database into this portion, into this range. Because this database is empty, there is no records, so we will have to add some records again. I click on it, add records again, so records can be stored. Check it now. Yes, records have been inserted into database. Now I clear my worksheet. There are no records. Then when I click on refresh button, it retrieves all the records from database and displays in this area. Okay, just check it. All the records are retrieved from database.